Hello everyone to my channel Wellness Food. Today we are gonna cook a cod fillet with sweet potato and spinach. Delicious and healthy side dish, tender cod is a great dinner. We'll need the following ingredients. Defrost cod beforehand in the refrigerator or take chilled one. We cut the cod into fillets. Pour water into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt and sugar. Pour water into a bowl. Add a tablespoon of salt and sugar. We cut the cod into fillet. Cut into small pieces. We place the fish in this water of salt and sugar and leave it for approximately 30 minutes. Then peel the shallots and cut into rings. And then peel the sweet potato, cut into thin slices, and add to the shallots. We need some butter and we have to heat it on the pan. Then we have to put some shallots and fry in the butter for 2 or 3 minutes. Later put the sweet potato and fry it for 4 or 5 minutes approximately. Don't forget to add some salt to your taste. Then we need some frozen spinach. We have to place it on top of the sweet potato. Add 2 or 3 glasses of water and cover the pan with a lid. Cook for another 7 or 10 minutes over medium heat. Then stir the garnish salt and spice to your taste. We spread the cod on a paper towel to remove excess water. We breathe the fish in flour. Fry the cod in a pan with the addition of olive oils. Fry the cod over medium heat, uncovered, for 5 minutes. Then turn over and fry for another 5 minutes. Thick pieces can be kept 2 minutes longer. Meanwhile, our garnish is already prepared. Then keep cooking cod fillet. By the way, sweet potato contains many valuable substances. Firstly, it is rich in vitamins A, C, E, K, and group B. It is especially rich in vitamin B6, thanks to which sweet potato strengthens blood vessels and helps to regulate blood pressure. Sweet potato also slows down aging, good for vision and nerves. It is also low in calories. Cod is a fish that absolutely everyone has tried at least at once. Cod is an inexpensive fish. In fact, everything is so good with cod that it is recommended for the diet of everyone without exception. Children's menu, diet table, sports nutrition, and just a delicious fish dish. Cod meat contains 78 calories per 100 grams of product. Cod meat contains 20% protein as well as many vitamins and minerals. And finally, our fish is prepared. Place warm garnish and cod on a plate and serve sprinkled with ground pepper. Decorate as you like. If you want to surprise everyone with a healthy, tasty dish with a beautiful serving, then this video is definitely for you. Well, our perfect dish is finally ready. The aroma is amazing, looks so tasty. Subscribe to my channel Wellness Food and cook healthy and tasty food with me. Stay healthy, slim and beautiful. Bon appetit everyone!